Merry Christmas, everyone. This is Badlands and Backwoods Adventures coming to you from the Imperial Valley of California. We are at Finney Lake. It's a little campground. Pretty rustic. Not really any facilities to speak of. But it is a nice little walk during the winter. So, stay tuned. Here you can see actually Finney Lake. It's a little lake here in the middle of the desert, a little oasis. A lot of birds come here, so if you want to do bird watching, that's really good. There's a bit of a dirt road if you want to do some ATV, and fishing is very good here as well. The Imperial Valley is mostly farmland. This is actually where most of America's winter crop is actually grown. So you see a lot of water in lakes and canals. Don't go in the canal, you'll die. Basically. We're doing a little bit more dancing around than normal because we got doggos with us. Smile for the camera, Tipsy. Ah, Timmy. And then the stoic one, the blonde fluff. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous area out here. Lots of birds. It is insanely hot here during the summer. So just say no. We're talking 120 plus. and in this particular area, mosquitoes can be a major problem during the warmer months, so please be advised. Another thing to keep in mind here is while it is in the desert and it does not rain much, when it does rain, this place becomes an absolute bog. The mud turns 5 to 6 inches deep. So if you don't have an off-road vehicle, you will get stuck. So don't